Hi, this is Steve Everson here from Bentley, and today I'm going to offer some tips and advice on how to use Keynetix.cloud from home. Please note that this video relates to Keynetix.cloud, the cloud service version which includes whole-base enterprise and the connected apps. For more information on the Connect versions of the software, or for the desktop versions, please see the other videos that are available. We have a lot of other resources available that will accompany this video, that will go into much further detail on all the topics that we cover. These are all available on our community site. Technical support is also here to help, so if you need further assistance to get things up and running, please contact our support team by either posting your question on our forums or by raising a support request, and one of our support team members will get back to you as soon as possible. Installation for the Keynetix.cloud apps work differently from our desktop software, as all of the apps run over the internet to the cloud data center where the data is stored. There is no need for a direct connection back to the office, and instead, just an internet connection is required. Do note, however, that as you may be working away from the office location, a VPN may be required to still connect through to the files that you would normally use. There may also be a delay with accessing these files, so we would recommend to copy anything locally onto the local machine where possible. The main difference is that all of the app installations are handled by the Keynetix.cloud launcher. Access to the launcher is by invitation only, and this can be received by asking an administrator user on your cloud to send a welcome email to the required account. The user will then receive an email with a link to download the launcher, which will then download the installer to the local machine. Just note that the welcome email links are only valid for 7 days. So if the links are required after this time, a new email will need to be sent. If you can't get hold of administrator user to send a welcome email, contact support and they will help find an alternative to help get you access. One other thing to note is that the installation of the launcher needs to be handled by an account that has administrator access. Once this is installed, all the installations of the apps themselves are done inside of the launcher, and the administrator access can then be revoked. Once the launcher is installed, run this and log in, and you will see a list of available apps that you have access to. Simply click on the Install button to download the installer and install the file. All apps that are currently available can then be run by clicking the Launch button. One final note, and specifically an advantage that the cloud service offers, is the ability to view data within the web portal. Within this service, you can view data, mapping, and borehole logs, and you can also upload data ready for import into whole-base. As mentioned before, we also have a wealth of other resources to help you get up and running within a new environment. At the time of writing, we are still in the process of moving our help content from our Keynetix.cloud Assist website over to Communities. But as you can see, there is already our webinar archive available on Communities, with more to come. Also, in the meantime, all cloud users have access to Keynetix.cloud Assist. To log in and view any restricted articles, simply just log in with your Keynetix.cloud login details that you received from your welcome email.